Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post full pictures on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to this bottom middle option where you can find this plus icon, and now just choose the photo that you want to post. So now what you want to do is you want to click this particular item over here. Just press over here, and this is your, let's say, full picture. So that's how you're gonna do it. And now just press on next, and you can edit if you want. Press on next again. You can add captions, add locations, tag peoples, or anything like that. And now just press on share. So that's how you're gonna do it. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.